Welcome to the Food Defense and Food Fraud course. At the end of this course, you will be able to recognize how we implement a food defense plan and how to prevent food fraud to ensure food safety and quality. Before we begin, we need to know some key concepts. First, food defense. Food defense is the effort to protect food from intentional contamination intended to cause harm to public health. Second, intentional contamination. This is the deliberate contamination of food with a biological, chemical, radiological, or physical agents with the intent to cause disease and death. Third, bioterrorism. Bioterrorism is a biological attack where viruses, bacteria, or other germs that can infect or kill people, livestock, or crops are intentionally released. And finally, biological weapon, also known as bioweapon or bacteriological weapon. These are any pathogen, bacterium, virus, or other microorganism that causes disease and is used as a weapon of war. According to the SQF code, efforts must be made to protect food from acts of intentional contamination to prevent harm to public health on a large scale and to avoid contamination by biological, physical, chemical, and radiological hazards that cannot reasonably occur in the food supply. But why would anyone want to cause harm to people through food? Individuals or groups may be motivated to intentionally adulterate food for many reasons. For example, to incite fear and panic, to cause injury and death. They may be malicious individuals, angry employees, people with psychological problems, for religious, economic, or psychosocial reasons. There are many measures that can be implemented for food defense purposes. According to the FDA, facilities that manufacture or handle food are required to institute the most important food defense measures through the development and implementation of a food defense plan. And why is food defense important? In addition to large-scale illness and death, intentional adulteration can also cause widespread public fear and affect public confidence in our products. An attack on our products could force recalls, loss of customers, and company closures. Before we look at the different parts of our food defense plan, let's discuss food fraud. Food fraud is a collective term that encompasses the deliberate and intentional substitution, addition, adulteration, or falsification of food, ingredients, or packaging, or false or misleading claims of a product for economic purposes. The types of food fraud are: dilution, when a higher quality liquid ingredient is mixed with a lower quality liquid ingredient. Substitution, when an ingredient or part of a high-value product is replaced with a low-value product. Concealment, when the low quality of ingredients or food products is hidden. Non-approved improvements, when an unknown or undeclared material is added to the product to improve its quality attributes. Simulation, making a copy of the original product but not pretending to be identical to the legitimate product. Alteration, when the legitimate product and its packaging are used fraudulently. Mislabeling or misinformation, the process of placing false claims on the packaging or documents accompanying the product, invoice, purchase order, etc. Gray market, when a genuine product is marketed through non-standard distribution channels. Diversion, when products are used, sold, or distributed in markets other than those intended. And finally, contaminated product. Legitimate product that is known to contain some food safety hazard above acceptable levels and is still marketed. Food fraud and food defense go hand in hand. Some of the measures implemented at Mount Franklin Foods for food defense and food fraud prevention include: all employees, visitors, and suppliers shall follow the GMP rules. This will help minimize the introduction of foreign materials that could be used to contaminate the product. Visitors need to be escorted at all times. We will not allow visitors to walk around freely. Security guards and cameras need to be in place to monitor activity. Employees will need to use their access badge or show their ID when walking into the facility. The most important deterrent to food fraud and food safety is you. If you detect strange behavior by personnel, immediately notify your superior, group leader, supervisor, area manager, or human resources. With this we can say that, We are all responsible for protecting our products. We have to be actively aware and report suspicious behavior. This will make it much more difficult for anyone to use our production processes to harm others and thus ensure food safety. In conclusion, our food defense and food fraud programs are used to prevent the adulteration of our products with the intent to cause harm to others or to falsify information for financial gain. Out of all of the actions we have in place to protect the product from intentional contamination, your attention, vigilance, and collaboration are key to the success of the food defense plan. Thank you.